Oh, now the sink going to the ground.
Yeah, the man sink and turn over.
Eh? And that, imagine now you this come take it out and go turn over. That would have rough.
You're mad?
No man. What is so? Each up on something so?
You think that ready for lift it?
Then ready for lift it.
You tell like we ready to come from the truck and pick up on the clip.
Oh.
Ready to lift.
Okay. Yeah man, people live in a flat bridge right now, isn't it? Be a thing. Come on, let's turn over and I should not in yourself. Serious man. Brother, I think the normal are right now. Yeah man, thanks for your rose there.
Alright, cool.
Like a whole heap of thing them put on the crane man.
Crane of balance.
To balance out.
Can't start this now.
So this look like it's full of things in it.
Full of? That's why they want to make sure pick up the crane.
Yeah, because for the empty them wouldn't do it so. Yeah man, from morning this day so man. Look like it's full up man. See next next watch out, one more truck come down, you know. The man them not learn brother boy. All if I me and me see this no brother, me not come and say no. Look much people up on live. Or upon that it go. So one next truck over there so look like upon that it go. Yeah, the back in there. Some people are turn back see me. And that we ask him to where am I go? Same see him block the road there so and so our next truck here. That trailer man I know easy there brother. Where am I go and see the road block? And him have a next something up on the back too, you know. What him a make road a go? What a man serious brother?
No sense man.
Watch out. Where you go brother instead of this truck just turn over? This a man a serious man dog. The man a make road a come round the same way. Me will tell him alright. If him see this and still I come and say him good. Place we go. I must over the water and want to go to. Cause see him like the road there too. Exactly. Always I come around so. No, I'm not the first man. I'm in there, I will have 5, yeah. If I go way back around this and come and told it rough. Just the white too, you know. You know, I don't know if I'm my boss or who. Oh, okay, okay. I left my phone now. I'm gonna balance the crane first. Crane a long though. Up in the curls, that's going to do. You're not afraid of dropping this, friend?
I think weak leg up.
Why you dropping there, you know? Oh. Yeah, when I lifeguard, I'm running too. See a man jump off. I walk one. How them do? Oh, them put on something there in upon it. Oh, but me not gonna listen. You're mad. I just soon go live. Live. You on the top of the screen same time here? You can't watch and not top of the screen. Yeah, them say watch and not top up.
They ain't no farm stuff on a cat.
Yeah, stop. So I'm coming on the crane now.
I come from here. What's up there?
No bother then.
Zina, somebody want to play match with the accept or not accept? Okay, I'm declining.
Press the button by the back. Press the button, press the button.
Zina, no pickle over here. One time. Them a do it. Money? What am I say? Full bone. Full, eh? Full bone, you give them. Don't tell me, don't get saved! Eh? Why me so sad? Me name a car about me and hey, this hasn't been going to take 1 year we don't charge. Here, the young man, he come here, walk and charge. Me there, he look so, me no see it. Yes, Una, Kimmy, Monsieur, Una, Elvina, and tell Parrot. Alright, chat, we're going to do the thing, power top, share the live. 1.7k, big up on yourself. Maya, see you with us now. I saw you, Maya. Uda, can't soon. JS, big up yourself, Monsieur JS. Is Apple in the house? My moderator, Apple, Miles. Miles, I see you. Who else is here? Let me see you people. Kimmy, hey, thank you so much for the kitty cat. Yes, Kimmy, do that. Hey, Zina, hey guys, how you doing? How you doing? Miles, my moderator, go and keep it clean and tell them to share up your live and something, moderator. There's my another moderator, Apple. With Apple there, I'm going to tell Apple, say, look out, God, Apple. Apple, I don't see you. Apple 72, I don't see you on the live. Where are you, girl? Take care of that way, no? Who that, Miss Clark? Eh? Is it? Oh? Me not have them there sitting there. Ting and Pepsi. Oh, yeah. You so much I feel below. So, so 50 feet flow. One boom. Water. We put the water on here, yeah? Yeah. And this my drink. All this.
So switch phones.
$2,000. One next off here? Oh, you're back today. Shape live chat. What up the screen? Anybody want ice? We have ice here. Huh? You want right now? Where you put the watch out? Put water come out of the container. Goodness. You want ice? You good? You want ice? Oh no, man, it's a beer water in the container. See there? Yeah, come and know I would have go in there. Yeah, because it's sinking for two, you know, it's sink. You could have a sink for two. You could have sink this morning, yeah. Move. Hey, chat, remember me there, one of them. Power top up your live. Eh? No, they might hear me, man. Who there, Zina? What up that Mr. Correa? Zina? Why is it that call me name, I say? Zina, them take out the chair. Look out of your eyeball, you're not asking no foolishness. Let me know, say. Why? The Jamaica eye now work. I plug it, plug out. It now work. From Erky and Melissa, it get popped down. People that are sending requests to come on the live, save it for another day. That now go on to them.
I was telling them come back more. The police and my investigation officer.
I'm just waiting for some audience. And some may find and has been restricted in that. Okay, listen to me. Don't piss me off in that lady. Lady underscore Browning. Lady underscore Browning. Hey, how you doing? What inside? Crackers. Shatter, big up yourself. Let me get dark. I want to get dark, you know. Don't. Wait, hold on. Want to say who right there? Now make me get dark. Add me. I would say I want to get dark. I want people out upon the live. Go make them have you. We can't have nobody, you know. We can't entertain you right now. That is for another day. I want to life could result in serious injuries are so TikTok put us on. TikTok said the action in this life may can to serious injuries. Should they take out it? So TikTok said this is dangerous. Where's about 7 o'clock, mermaid? I may look good. Burger Queen, thank you for the likes. SJS, thank you. Where is SJS? Let me see. Then damn handsome, it's almost 7 o'clock. Lady Brown, thank you. F1, big up. Yeah, cause them put that funny say to this. Yeah. The one zina never two. Tell them the man. Show up your live chat. Shut up, big up yourself, Ziggy. Thank you, Zig. Hey, people that have this thing is coming out and we're here on the live here at Flatbridge. So if you're not following me, what you're waiting for, please to follow me right now. Tamara Fair, Tamara, big up yourself. Taros, baby, just like up the lives. Who that chosen? Thank you for that. Thank you. Mermaid, Zina, shit. What? Wait. A bit off the container or restart. Alright, that's why I have to shift it a little bit off. Yeah, baby. Thank you, Black Blaze. Thank you for that info. NYC. Big up yourself. Thank you so much. Welcome. On mistake, cause 1,000 what? 1,000.
Yeah, respect and thanks, people. We reach 500 Ocean. Glory be to God. We reach 580 viewers. Respect and thanks. We get 30,000 likes. We can't go 35,000 likes. Me please and thanks. I never tell me if I put on anything or some shit. I understand nothing. The container did I go Spanish Town dimension. Spanish Town was going that side. The side where you see them I put it now. That the side come. That have a part coming from country. Coming from Lindsay dimension, should say. It's dark shit as a cranny man, birdie. Anyway, you go me find crosses, you know. Crosses not run for pick up me.
No man of a man cranny.
You see me?
Boy.
Crosses ever pick me up to blood claw like a go-go. Me cranny on the depth of my life. When you not come cranny up on yourself to, you know, come off of my life. People bad mind, you know. One little time I go live and I get local support. Me become cranny. I went since me top beard. And because you're gone and stop using your most clean up my bars, that's why I'm cranny. Yeah, you want something, yeah. That will hold you. Sorry, I have moderator for fixing in the comment section. You know, say your mother used to beat me with her tongue and she not get the privilege to do it again, so me become cranny. Somebody else do your mother used to do, so me still not cranny. You hear? You think your mother alone could have used her tongue and clean up my body? No, you're wrong. Somebody else do the same thing. Alright, me stop for like dog shit them, man. Anyway, you go you find crosses.
Come.
I got buckwheat. More feel like any live I start back, you know. Two restriction I get, you know.
Argument, I think that love argument.
No man. Some of the people we are report you live, you know, if you're not that time, brother. You know, yeah, some people bad my out if you're nothing, bro.
Ball be a fire with the toes,
Yeah, yeah. Show up your likes, guys, please and thanks. Yeah, some people just bad mind for nothing, brother. They just don't know you and I want to know you, them bad mind you for nothing. That's why me not go live, you know, brother.
But that 37,000 people, you don't feel like
37,000.
you don't feel like 30,000 people.
Get a pass. Alright, I'm gonna put it on the truck first.
From Canada. No lives were lost. K-Man in the house. K-Man.
Big up K-Man straight. The phone is like 13%. Oh, the traffic long, man. Long gone all the way up the road.
Traffic stands still.
Stand still on the two sides. The traffic up that side, and the other traffic up that side. All them like you see that traffic.
Is this Spain? Somebody said Spain? You have carrying on?
Yeah. Yeah, man, big up on yourself from all over.
Person still asking what happened. Container went over into the water this morning. They're trying to take it out this evening. No lives lost.
Alright, man, my phone dead at all. So, wanna do nothing, alright? No flop, big up on yourself. Now go jump or leave, you know. Alright?
Rudy, be afraid of the bridge. Thou shalt not be afraid. What you want a fish when me having a water? Sorry, I mean diver. Yeah. Why? Hold on there. Want a diver when me having a water, man?
For my boy.
Lizard. Jerry, who that? Troops, what I want there? What I look on there? Russian. Dunn boy, that's it, man. So when man them moving in the water, me think I fish them for true, sorry. But wipe on her.
Yes, and the good dung. I guess at the deep part. Well, yes, at the deep part.
Yeah, man, where's the deep one?
That's so deep still.
Yes, so deep, but I baby deep with this.
Hope they get
Oh,
paid.
yes, so.
Yes, Judith. We see you now, Judith. Judith! That can't robot Zina.
Yeah.
Someone see with me now one time, please. Please. So this is the chassis chat and we're getting it out once and for all. It's a long night, me tell us to buckle up and shape your life. How about this street is all, you know. They take out itself. Alright. Share up your live, chat. Share up your live. iPhone 13 and do the live. Share it up. Best quality out here. Big up from the UK. Big up from Canada. Big up from America. Big up in Jamaica. No, big up you. Alright. So. You get a one. I did? cause a serious injury. Yeah, it's all good. You're not trouble me. You're not trouble me. Shape your life.
Wheel and run about me. Wheel and run.
You wheel and run a back, man. It's the front part, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, back part down there, so wheel part down there, so. Big up the UK, them in the building. London people, them. America, Canada, Jamaica, big up. Shape your life. Barbados, Chini. Yeah, the container come out already. Up there, so. See it, the chat? The deer?
The good boy, them a ramp when nothing drop ya. When nothing drop over here.
So quick, one day, them string up that. Can't find nothing good to work for do. I don't know if come out. Salted and roasted. Eh? Oh yes. That one did finish. Water, cold. $50 more. No, these are the ones that I have. Them nice when they're cold. Hmm? What you want, Gully? What? Oh, Jesus Christ. Me say me can't promise you no nothing. And you me for this. Boy. What is that? What is that plug-in? Over this. Yeah, over this.
The girl when I read.
Alright, let me borrow this. Which one? Water. 300. Yeah. Thank you. It's so good.
Johnny.
Yeah, girl. Yeah.
It chassis just pick up. It chassis go flat around now.
No, chassis I go up on the road now. Chassis I get flat.
Eh?
Soon, the next half an hour.
Here.
Yeah.
No, it one different chassis already. One shot one. But this chassis just smooth.
Yeah. See, that's a go for cripple. The driver was set up by company. Yeah. Zina, them good man. By the way, me talk about good. Zen. Action. Driver is okay. Yeah. This something for morning, you know. Chat. This something for morning. So the driver is fine. They're just taking out the container, which them just take out. The last thing them just take out was the chassis. So the driver is fine. Why them no go gone yet? Shobombo. You can't reach him or her. That little batty cat there, see. Call him, no call him, go. Say, come cripple. I can't see the bridge in Jamaica yet. Thank God he's okay. So yeah, it's the thing never done. Go there. Me say she another old man.
Yo.
You ever see everything?